In the magical land, a colorful caterpillar named Charlie lived with a colony of hard-working ants.
One day, a powerful storm struck their peaceful land, destroying their homes and scattering the ants far away from one another.
Determined to rebuild their colony, Charlie suggested that they each find a different color of flower and bring it back to their new home. However, the scattered ants misunderstood his instructions and brought back flowers of the same color.
Charlie was disappointed by the ants' mistake, but he knew they had tried their best.
He decided to gather all the flowers and create a beautiful, vibrant garden for their new home. As the garden grew, its colorful petals attracted other insects from all around. The ants and Charlie realized that their unity and the diversity of their flowers had created something truly special and inspiring. One day, the colorful garden caught the attention of a passing rainbow, who sprinkled magic dust on the flowers, making them even more vibrant and enchanting. The ants and Charlie, filled with awe and gratitude, knew that their unity had led to this magical transformation. They vowed to always work together and celebrate their differences. And so the caterpillar and ants lived harmoniously in their colorful garden, inspiring others to embrace unity and celebrate the beauty of diversity.